Welcome to Employment Law Insights, brought to you by Employment Law Professionals Northwest, where our team of attorneys specialize in the workplace legal issues that most affect you. Please note, this video is not to be considered legal advice and is for informational purposes only. Do you believe you were wrongfully terminated? Most employment in Oregon is considered at will. This means that both the employer and the employee have the right to end their relationship at any time they wish and for nearly any reason they wish. This means that, in most situations, employers are not breaking the law when they terminate an employee's employment. It's important to note that most employment in Oregon is considered at will. In at-will employment, the employer can fire you any time they wish to do so for almost any reason or no reason at all. However, there are exceptions. For example, state and federal laws against discrimination mean that an employer can't legally fire an employee simply because of the employee's sex, race, religion, or other protected characteristic. Similarly, whistleblower protection laws mean employers can't legally fire an employee because the worker reported illegal behavior in the workplace. Certain types of employment contracts can also protect workers from wrongful termination. For instance, some types of employment contracts specify that an employee can be terminated only for specific reasons. Note that contracts can come in many forms. For example, if your employer made you promises when you were first hired and they are now not living up to those promises, your exchange may be considered a valid contract. If you are in a union, the chances are good that you have a contract with your employer. If you are fired in that case, it is not unusual for your union to insist that you go through a formal grievance procedure promptly, so that your rights are protected. Finally, consulting an employment law attorney is a wise decision. As an employee, you have rights, and you have legal protections. It is fair for you to expect a safe workplace, and ensure your rights are always protected. You may or may not wish to get your old position back, but whatever you decide, it is important for you to understand your rights and to make sure that you are protected. For employment law expertise in Oregon, contact employment law professionals or visit us online at ELPNW.com.